Hello everyone, Quickle Pickle here. When posting this, it will be May 10th. On May 16th, I posted my first ever video. I will be celebrating this by posting a video every single day until then. Today we are doing an Egypt video, which is the majority of what I've posted this year. Today's video is on Bast. Bast was the goddess of cats and protection for all women. If you're ready to learn, then subscribe to this channel. Bast was depicted as a woman with the head of a cat or as just a cat sitting down. Bast, like Sekhmet and Hathor, was the Eye of Ra. Bast was also the daughter of Ra. As the Eye of Ra, Bast would strike down Ra's enemies. Bast was less severe than Sekhmet, but still harsher than Hathor. Bast occasionally helped guide spirits to the underworld. The reason that cats were honored in Egypt was because the cats would get rid of vermin and pests in people's homes. They would also kill creatures who killed the Egyptians' plants. Cats are basically the vacuums of ancient Egypt. Cats were actually so important that people had their cats mummified. People believed that by mummifying their cats, the cats would remain with them forever. Bast was also the protector of women and children, as she was the goddess of childbirth, so she protected both mother and child. Bast was extremely popular with both genders. The reason Bast was popular with males was that if you had a mother, sister, girlfriend, wife, or daughter, you would want Bast to protect them. And since almost everyone had these relationships, people prayed to Bast a lot. Every year at the town of Bast, there was a great festival of Bast, where many citizens celebrated. This festival was one of the more popular ones of the year. Bast actually translates to the House of Bast. Thanks so much for watching. Check out my friend's channel, Crafty Cabbage. Here on my website, quickle-pickle.com. And also check out my second channel, Quickle Pickle 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time on Quickle Pickle. Goodbye!